Cheers! Hi, thank you for subscribing and welcome to my channel. Did you hit that notification bell? As you can see, mine is on. Karibuni sana. So today I just want to show you how to make a quick one cake. Let's get started. But before that, let me just stick my bell. Alright, first things first, I'll put some eggs. These are just 2 eggs. Watu wa kutaka kuangalia kusha nimeficha. Ali, it is mine. And I need it like that. So eggs. Put some oil inside. This is a lot, so I'll just use half of it. So just use that. Sugar. And this is margarine melted. Perfect. So we are good to go. This we will eat later. Next recipe will be for this. Jina imepotea. Essence. This is vanilla. And then we will need our banana. By the way, did I mention which cake I'm making? It's banana cake. So I had mashed my bananas. Zimwage ndani. Ziko tu hivyo vile zinakaa lakini ni tamu. Very nice. Was a right. Yeah. Let's go. Making noise. Mautamu loading. Shida ukisema noise na sina maziwa. I forgot. Please. Tuendelee ama tusiendelee. Okay. I got milk. And I added some baking soda here. And I'm feeling thirsty, so. My bell is still on. Make sure yours is on. So, first things first, this is flour. Let me put some kidogo milk over there. Mix things together. Next, we'll put flour. So I'll measure 2 cups and a half. Just mix that first. Yeah. Add some unga now. That's enough. Keki kubwa. All right. Mix it up. Mix it up. Oh, you guys are not reminding me this. Oh God. There's only that one anatakanga kumess mtu. We uliona na hukusema. Asante sana kwa huyo mwenye amenikumbusha. So you see, you can still do mix with your mwiko. If you don't have a mixer, mwiko will still do it. Sijipe pressure kwa life. But in a life. Stima imeenda. Can you see me properly? Can you see me? Oh, haya. Oh, zimerudi. Thank God. Kuongea lakini nikanoti hizi kitu napiga kelele utanisikia. I just wanted to say yani shetani ameshindwa. Ameshindwa. Tuko na unga sasa. This is perfect, guys. This is so good. We are so there. Tuekua take. Tuekua tadaka. Wana watu sema hivyo by the way. Hii ni mob. Hizi kula yote hata kama. Hata kama ni kuonja tafadhali. Alright, let me come with the sufuria that I had put some, dusting. I'm coming. Guys, karibuni sana. Aya, video inaendelea. Sawa. Let's go. I had dusted my pan. Ama inaitwa nini? So sinikuweka tu. Hakuna mambo mengine wa downs na wa dowdeds. It is just simple as that. In case you missed any information, kindly DM me. I will answer your question. You can call it banana cake, you can call it banana bread. However you please. Depends on where you went to school. So yeah. Yes guys, so that's it. It's ready to go in the oven. See you when you see me. Sijui nani aliuma hapa lakini ni sawa, tuende nayo. Mke mtoto alikuwa amesema abakishiwe, so acha nisikule yote, but mpango yangu ilikuwa nikule kwa video. Thank you so much. It's passion. I love it. Ile maziwa tulibakisha iko. Cut walking to the oven like 45 to 1 hour. Bye.
1 hour later.
Yeah, we need to remove the cake. Ta-da! What time by your watch? Did you time the cake? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. Woo. Cake is ready. So yeah, let's wait for it to cool down. Then after that, I will come and do some decoration. See you in a bit. But for the decoration, I think we'll make another video. Yeah, separate videos. Indio, awaji wadaos. Thank you so much. But still, I'll show you the outcome. Asanteni sana. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that bell over there. So that you can get notified each time I post a video. Thank you so much. I can't wait to eat this cake. It's smelling nice. I love it. A video. Bye.
A few moments later.
Welcome back, and here are the results. Amazing. Yeah, so we will actually do a video next time, and I'll show you detailed video on how I decorate my cake. Sawa. Yeah, welcome so much. So we have a bit of orange, a bit of peach, a bit of purple. Like, is it ombre or aubrey? As I said before, it depends where you went to school. Otherwise, anyway, this is it. I love it. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and also hit the notification bell. Kama kawaida, watu wa subscribe. And also, please, you can holler me for an order. As you can see, I'm doing a great job. See you. Yeah. Cheers until next time. Bye. Have a nice one.